Now we're all set, and the pitch is up to this point. And that's a strike. A little tap foul. That's building this lead at a swing and miss in left field. In the spot originally. Pitch. A little tapper foul. And Morel is out on.
Play any first?
A little bit.
Okay.
A little bit in his career.
Oh, it's a beauty. Yeah, that's strike three. What a great inning for Bird.
For so much longer. I'll ask you, David, like, what did that feel like for you watching this after as best friend and girlfriend? For you to be here for.
Like his mom said, it was just surreal. I mean, he worked.
I bought one last one when he came off the mound knowing that it was done.
The joy, all of those emotions.
You know, your kid go out there and pitch because we know what it was like.
Wow. 2-2. That's 5 straight strikeouts for. Way inside. That's a strike, 1 ball. Can't. That's there. Ticketed 2-2 Bird to Terang on the outside corner. See you later.
A shortstop, single to right, double to left. Popped up foul. Ball 3, full count. That is strike 3, gets him looking.
One out for Will Smith. Strike 1.
I mean, playing 4 sports in high.
Strike 3. Part of Jackie's legacy on the field for the Dodgers past spring training. George is up against the Rockies. Now Conforto in the air, hooking down the right field line. 2-2 pitch to Conforto is strike 3 on the inside corner. Swing and a miss, strike 1. It's 9 games so far. Stays up. Another 0-2 pitch. Lays off. Bullpen. Taylor strikes out swinging. So
0-2 on Jose Tena. Strike 3 on Jose Tena. For throwing, whether it slipped or not.
The doubleheader tomorrow.
The Bird comes in to end an 8-game slide.
Just above 1.
And he got him on a wicked slider.
Ball's down and in. I'm going to swing. And then you come up empty and you're like.
Jacob Young 0-1, 1-1.
Like Babe Ruth.
Not a miss. Back-to-back strike selection. Came the Juan Soto deal. I don't want to. That's a strike. (3-2), and he got it. Bird hopping off the mound.
Slider guy, sinker slider. You ready? Okay, all struck. Close. And Massey takes a call, 3rd strike. Okay, that's. You can tell. And he strikes out Biggio, and the Royals get a.
See a 1 to Steer. Sweeper. 0-2. Fouled off. Forever.
Really?
Yeah. Gavin Lux at second. Anyhow, somebody hit a home. And another strikeout. Boy, is Jake Bird in a good. That's in there. Three and 2. Bird's 3-2. Got him. Boy. 0-2. Got it. For out number 2. Over 1,000 coming in. And the Heaters in there for a strike.
but he will not. 95 got by him.
And he spins that over. And another 2-2.
Ooh.
And he almost had him. Got him!
I'm going to say 14.
Dude, you're right on the money. I don't know, 27. Nick Allen found man. He's pretty close to that line. That should be strike 3.
They got him. 1-2.